For this you need a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can just use a Ziploc bag and put the cookies in there. You can use whatever, sweet, plain, about 200 to 250 grams. Chuck them in there. I'm using milk arrowroot. You just want this to be nice and crumbly, fine crumbs. Now you want to melt about 100 grams of butter. Pour all that in and just mix. Get a baking tin, baking tray. I use one with a push-up base just because it makes life a lot easier to get things out. Spread it out and flatten it down. Just pop this in the fridge to help it set. Now get about 110 to 115 grams of butter. Get about 220 grams of dark chocolate. Chuck it in there. Now we want to melt it. A regular microwave, 30-second bursts, and give it a stir each time. Now just mix it so it's combined and nice and smooth, silky. Now we just want to leave this to cool slightly, just for about 5 minutes. Now while the chocolate's cooling, you get this out of the fridge, get Twix bars and just put them in there, line them up wherever you want to put them. Yummy! Now get 200 grams of brown sugar, chuck that in, and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this until it's combined, and I have a new hand mixer. Woohoo! Now we want to add 2 eggs, but just add one at a time. So add one and then mix it in. Then add 85 grams of plain flour. Just now want to mix this in. Now get the mixture and pour it over the top. Now preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, which is about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's heated, pop it in there. Should take about 50 to 55 minutes.